Hello, and welcome to the third edition of Excel for Work. In today's lesson, we will discuss how to format data. So in our first lesson, we discussed how to enter data. In our last lesson, or our second lesson, we discussed how to import data. If you have any questions regarding those topics, please feel free to review the first two videos or to send any questions down at the bottom here at the end of the YouTube video. So today's video will be short, very concise as our previous videos have been. We've imported our data and it is located in sheet 4. So we see our data has imported into a table. Today we're going to focus on how to format our data with basic formatting tools. So we'll start here by going to our home screen here, and we're simply going to fill in the color of certain cells. So as we discussed in our first lesson, any cell that is highlighted in the green box is the cell that we are currently working in. And we want to fill this cell with the color yellow. So we'll go to our paint bucket here and simply tap it. And notice the client name Erica the cell is now yellow. So if we wanted to make the cell bold, we would simply go to the bold key here, which is our letter B. There are a number of shortcuts that you can use. For example, to make font or text bold, you can press Control B, or you can simply press the B here. Notice that now Erica, the name Erica, is bold. Okay, so now we want to change the font type in this cell. We'll go here. Notice currently the font type is Calibri. However, we want to change our font to something else. We'll change it to Arial. So we'll simply select the drop-down menu next to Calibri, and we'll scroll and we'll find Arial. The font is now different from the others. Notice how formatting changes and distinguishes a cell from the others. You may use formatting for a number of different reasons, but there are endless opportunities to make a cell or a series of cells distinguished. For example, if we want to select row 4, for the purpose of making the cells here red in font, we would simply select the entire row. And once again, we know that the row is selected if it is highlighted in the dark green box. From there, we would go, as we're on our Home tab, we see our font color key here, and we want the font to be red, so we change it to red. And that's it, as simple as that. So those are a few formatting techniques. Text formats, cell formats can all be done from the Home tab. So why not take a few minutes today and play around with different formatting. So tune in to our next lesson of Excel for Work, where we will discuss how to enter a formula in Excel. Have a great day and happy work.